me and my son are doing a little job. I told him he could come out here and help me out. Paint this toolbox that I bought. Oh yeah, check it out. I haven't showed you guys what I did. That's my big boy right there. Taylor. That's what I did. The fence. I did somewhat. Okay. What do you guys think? Good enough. Good enough for me. Right, buddy? Maybe not for me, but for you. What do you think? Huh? You got a mess over there. Look at you. Yes, you're a big boy. You digging holes over there already? Oh my goodness. I have to get after this boy over here. I don't think it's him. Yeah, it is him. Look at this boy. You digging out holes? Huh? Made you this little pretty fence over here and then you're already messing it up. Oh, you're digging out holes. Big holes over here. Hey, stop digging holes. You hear me? Stop digging holes. So anyways, I did that a month ago or whatever. Check out my other one. Sorry, buddy. What's wrong with you? And this one has a habit of doing all this, scratching his stomach with the dirt and killing the grass right there too. He's the one that's making a mess. Oh yeah, see that bowl right there? My rot back there. Taylor has two of these bowls, and this little guy right here, he has a habit of taking the plastic bowls. See all those plastics? He has a habit of getting them and I guess sleeping with them. So anyways, I'll feed my dog back there and I'll take one of the bowls in there, and this little guy, after my rod is done eating, like, he'll go and grab that big bowl and drag it out the fence, the door right there. He'll drag it out through there and he'll actually bring it all the way up here for me. Maybe not for me, but you know, for himself. But it works out because that way I don't have to walk way over there and get it, so I can feed Taylor. Alright, this is a project. It's a rusted, not beat up, but it's just rusted toolbox. We're gonna paint it, right, son? Me and you. We got this glossy protective enamel red. So we're gonna sand that down, and then we're gonna paint it red. You ready? Huh?
Yeah.
Come on, let's start. Let's go get the sandpaper. We're sanding it now. And make sure. We're gonna try to get all the scratches out. We're gonna make it look okay. I mean, not perfect, but there's some thick scrapes on there, pretty thick ones like this here. A couple dents on there, but I think it should work. It's good enough. But okay, keep sanding. You need help? No? You gotta sand the whole thing. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's do it. Oh, look, it's all coming off. Alright. We're ready? Ready to paint this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see. I think we're ready to paint it. I think we did an okay job. What do you think, son? We're done? You think we should paint it already?
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw the paint. Let's set this down. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy. Come on. We're gonna shake this. Set this right there. There's two. Watch it. Come here. Get on this side, please. No, it doesn't smell good. I said it smells good. No, it doesn't smell good. It's not supposed to smell good. This is sick. Kids, don't try this at home. And there it goes. That's it. I'll finish. You can see the glare. That's the sun. That's why you see it all glossy. What do you think, son? It looks good? Don't touch it.
It's dry.
Huh? It's a little dusty. No, don't touch it. It's okay. It looks better than before. Way better. Yep. Did a good job. Look at that right there. Whoa. Whoa. You see it? Whoa. It almost got on me. Look at that. It almost looks like a bee. Big ol'. Okay. We're done.
We're done.
We're done. You see it?